Welcome to this overview of key value stores. We will explore these simple NoSQL databases designed for fast data access. A key value store is a simple type of database that stores data as pairs of unique keys and their associated values. Think of it like a dictionary or a map, where each key points to a specific value. As an example, the key user, 123, could point to the value containing user information like this: name, John, age, 30. Key value stores have several core characteristics. First, their structure is simple, requiring no complex relationships or schemas. Second, they offer high performance, providing fast read and write operations with big O of 1 access. Third, they are scalable, allowing easy horizontal scaling across multiple servers. Finally, they offer flexible values where values can be strings, objects, or even binary data. There are several popular key value stores available. Redis is an in-memory data structure store with persistence options. DynamoDB is a NoSQL database service managed by Amazon Web Services. Riak KV is a distributed database known for its high availability. Key value stores typically support 3 basic operations. The put operation is used to set the value for a given key. For example, set user 123 to John Doe. The get operation retrieves the value associated with the key. For example, get user 123 would return John Doe. The delete operation removes a key and its associated value. For example, del user 123 would remove the entry, returning OK to indicate success. Key value stores are particularly useful in certain scenarios. One common use case is caching, where they provide fast temporary storage for frequently accessed data. Another use case is session storage, where they can store user session information and authentication tokens. Key value stores offer several advantages, including high performance, simplicity of use, horizontal scaling capabilities, and low latency. However, they also have limitations. They do not support complex queries, have limited support for relationships between data, lack ACID transactions, and feature a simple data model. Key value stores are perfect for simple data access. These stores excel when you need fast, simple data retrieval without complex relationships. In conclusion, choose key value stores for high performance, scalable applications with simple data models. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.